Yeah, I tried to get that O2 sensor out, but yep. Any way I can get it. And I also tried to use this guy, but I'm sure you guys can figure out how quickly sketchy that got. I was gonna cut it. Needs a handguard. Do not want to use that again. By the way, Koken 3/8 drive, 1/4 inch body for the win. Love this ratchet. Alrighty, got that out. Let's look underneath here. Alrighty, yep. All out. This injector was stuck open. Now, I'll take that off. I wonder why this is not as dark as that. I hope this isn't leaning out or nothing bad. This possibly, based off the slime, has another stuck injector. Whoopee. I'm also going to clean underneath here and place this O-ring. I gotta take this filter off first, but you can see where all the gunk is. Ew. I don't want to take out my power steering rack again. Ugh. Yeah, yummy.